Hello, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting product to review, the FUNYET Mini PC Gaming PC. This compact desktop computer boasts some impressive specs, making it a versatile choice for various tasks. In this video, we'll dive into the details and explore what makes this mini PC stand out. The FUNYET Mini PC is powered by the latest Intel Alder Lake N95 processor, featuring 4 cores and 4 threads. It has a rated power of 15W and a 6 MB cache, offering up to 3.4 GHz of processing power. This results in powerful single and multi-threaded performance, perfect for demanding workloads and gaming. One standout feature of this mini desktop PC is its abundance of ports. It comes equipped with 1x HDMI port, 4x USB 3.0 ports, 1x Type-C, 1x HDMI 2.0, 1x DP port, and 2x RJ45 Ethernet ports. This variety of ports allows you to connect multiple devices simultaneously, enhancing multitasking capabilities. The FUNYET Mini PC features high-speed 16GB DDR4 memory, ensuring your system operates smoothly. With a 512GB M2 SATA SSD, this mini PC offers fast storage access and responsiveness. The M.2 interface supports PCIe 4.0 and SATA 3.0 SSD memory settings, allowing for future upgrades and expansion. This mini PC supports 4K 60Hz ultra-high-definition display and can achieve dual-screen setups with HDMI and DP ports. It also features a cooling fan for efficient heat dissipation, ensuring optimal performance and reliability during prolonged use. The N95 processor FUNYET Mini PC comes with 1x 2.5 gigabits per second network port and 1x gigabit network port. It supports 5G Wi-Fi, providing smooth browsing, media streaming, and light gaming experiences. Additionally, it has built-in Bluetooth 4.2, allowing you to connect various wireless devices like mice, keyboards, and printers. The FUNYET Mini PC comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, offering improved speed, security, and efficiency. Windows 11 Pro enhances your productivity, making tasks easier and more efficient. FUNYET provides a 1-year warranty for added peace of mind. In conclusion, the FUNYET Mini PC Gaming PC is a compact powerhouse that can handle a variety of tasks, from office work to gaming. Its impressive processing power, extensive connectivity options, and 4K display support make it a versatile choice. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient mini PC, the FUNYET Mini PC Gaming PC is worth considering. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.